Alright guys, I'm going out to the river today. I'm going to be fishing for some gar and some catfish. Hopefully get a flathead catfish. They're my favorite kind of fish, so I'm just going to hope for the best on that. But the river has been really good lately. A lot of gar, so I'm hoping to get a lot. And I'll see you at the river. There's gar right now. I don't know what's going on, but they keep coming straight at me. Oh. He's about to grab it. No, don't grab the bobber. Grab the bait, grab the bait. Oh, he grabbed the bait. Okay. I think. Hopefully he holds onto it this time. Yep. There he goes. He's taking off. Starting to slow down a little bit. It's a big one. Pretty nice one at least. I didn't really get to see the full look of him. Throw my phone in my bag. Yep, he still has it. Taking off, I'm about to set it. Got him. Oh, nope. Came off. Alright, well that was a pretty decent one. I'm starting to see more and more gar every few minutes, so I'll hopefully get... I got something big on, guys. Oh man. I don't know what it is. It's big though. Oh. Oh man. It just took off. I had no idea. What is it? Oh, still haven't seen it. Stirred up the bottom pretty good. Whoa, I think it's a big catfish. Yeah, flathead. Sweet. Big old flathead catfish, guys. That's awesome. Flatheads are my favorite fish to catch ever, and this is awesome. That's why I was fighting so good. I got him. Oh man, that's awesome. That's a great fish to catch on my day. Oh man, it's really slippery. Get up here. Okay. Look at that flathead, guys. Wow. Was not expecting that at all. That is awesome. I was probably going to take a little channel cat or something. Look at that guy. Wow. That is awesome. Look at that mouth, guys. Wow. They usually eat live bait too, so this is a very big surprise. That's crazy. That's awesome. Alright, well I'm going to get the hook out and I'll get the release for you guys. Got the hook out. I'm going to release him. Was not expecting this flathead at all. That was an awesome surprise. Holding air in the water for a second. There he goes. I'm trying to get another one. That was super fun. Big fight. I'm going to try and get the bite on camera this time. He just took off without me expecting it. But I was just using just a tiny cut perch. Here, let me see this. Here, right there. Just that and a treble hook. That's all I was using. Awesome. Well, I'm going to try and catch another one. Guys, we're back out here night fishing. My mom caught a really nice gar. I'm going to get the release on it later. We got to get the hook out and get a measurement on him. Alright guys, here's my mom's gar. It's 41 inches. We're going to release it. I'm just going to slide him in. There he goes. Alright, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe.